Lisa Frank periodically changes the look of her site to reflect her art and mood. These changes are easily made using one of Weebly's core assets, themes. How'd they do that? It's easy to change or preview different themes at any time. Under the Theme tab, click Change Theme. All of our themes are responsive, which means they'll look great on any device and can be adapted to fit many applications. Hover over a theme to choose or preview, or click to view more information. Previewing allows you to view your site using this theme and compare any color options available. Save it or cancel to go back. View themes you've recently used, or any custom themes you may have. You can click Import Theme to use a custom theme of your very own, and it will live under the Custom tab. It's important to keep in mind the only thing that doesn't transfer when you change themes is your header image. So if you're using a custom image you've uploaded previously, you'll have to upload the image again if you want to use it again. And that's how you do that.